Hey Rays Sunshine, welcome back to my channel. So today I created this super purple, blue, blurple kind of look. So if you'd like to see that, then please keep on watching. So starting off today with the eyes, I'm going in with the Zodiac palette by Kathleen Lights and Colourpop, and I'm taking the shade the Libra and I'm putting that in my crease as my transition color. Now I'm taking my Natasha Denona Sunrise Palette and I'm just going in with the shade Aster. I didn't love how this color applied with a brush, so I'm just going in with my finger and I'm packing that color all over my lid. Now I'm taking my Colourpop liner in the shade Piggy Bank and I'm putting that on my waterline. I'm also using this liner to tightline with, as well as using it for my wing. So just to be completely transparent with you guys, I know you're not supposed to tug on your eyes, but I'm very new to wings and I did this very gently to make sure that I wasn't tugging really hard. Wow, that's a cute face. Well, anyways, I am now just going to take a makeup wipe and clean up the edges to make sure my wing is nice and clean and sharp. So if you're like me and you struggle with wings, it's going to take a little bit of time. And once you're done battling with yourself to get them perfectly even, we can move on to the next step.
2 hours later.
So for the lower lash line, I'm just going back in with that same color Aster, and I'm just buffing that on my lower lash line. And then to blend and buff that out, I'm going back into the Zodiac palette and I'm taking the Aquarius and the Sagittarius and mixing them and buffing that right underneath where I put Aster. For foundation, I'm using the Catrice HD Liquid Foundation. For concealer, I'm going in with my Colourpop No Filter Concealer. Now I'm just going in with my Holy Grail bronzer, the Marc Jacobs Tantastic Bronzer. For blush, I'm going in with I Need Space by Kathleen Lights and Colourpop. For highlight, I'm going in with the Super Shock Highlight in On the Cusp. I'm also using that same highlight for my inner corners. So now just for my lower lashes, I'm going in with the Blue Ya Mind mascara by Colourpop. And for my top lashes, I'm just going in with my Lancome Monsieur Big. Last but not least, I'm going in with my Aquarius Lippy Stick for my lips. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hoped you liked this purple blue look that I created. If you liked it, please like this video and consider subscribing if you have not already. I post all different kinds of content on this channel, so stay tuned for more. And I will see you all in my next video this upcoming week. Bye guys, love you.